Hi there, this is my bee vacuum plastic bottle with a hole at the bottom and some fly screens over the mouth of the vacuum. Tap it around, and for this I'll be using to rescue the remainder of the bees that swarmed yesterday. So at this spot I caught a swarm yesterday, and still quite a few flying around, and some of them have landed on this fence post. So what I'm going to do is vacuum them and then bring them to the new home. Oh, quite a few in here. Must be about 50 or 60 of them. Quite easy to do, and they seem to be happy in there, no casualty. However, there's still quite a few flying around, so I'll come back in the evening and mop up the rest. And this is their new home. It's just a matter of now opening the cap and letting them out. Put it nearer to the entrance. It's starting to come out. One came out and went straight into the hive. The smoke coming out. This by instinct, when they come out, they can smell the what they call it, queen bee in there, the pheromones, and they start to fan for the rest to come in. You can see them right outside there fanning away. So it's guiding the rest to come this way. Interesting to watch. Anyway, this is the first vacuum that I've done, and after this I went back 3 or 4 times again, and once in the evening to vacuum the rest of the bees. Otherwise they will be orphaned. So very satisfying. Thanks for watching.